In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Galaxy earbuds to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of laptop you have, a Windows laptop, Linux laptop, MacBook, you will be able to easily connect your set of Galaxy earbuds. This will be done over Bluetooth. So for this method, your laptop needs to have Bluetooth capabilities. So go into the Bluetooth and devices settings and enable it there. Once Bluetooth has been enabled, now it's time to set the earbuds into pairing mode. This will be done by making sure that they are inside of the case, and with the earbuds positioned inside of the case, all that you have to do is open the lid. Usually, for most Galaxy earbuds models, they will immediately go into pairing mode as long as they are inside of the case and you open up the lid. If they don't go into pairing mode immediately, or if you have a particular model like the Galaxy Buds Pro 3, you might have to press a button available on the case. So look below the case at the side until you find a button that you can press and then hold it down for a few seconds. This will enable pairing mode. Once they are in pairing mode, this means that other devices can discover them. So if you go into the option to add a device now, after setting them to pairing mode, you will find the Galaxy earbuds on the list of available nearby devices. Make sure that you are close to the laptop or PC that you are trying to connect into and that there are no other interferences around the room. If they don't appear under this list, they could be automatically connecting to other devices. So if you have used them on your phone previously, for example, make sure that they aren't automatically pairing themselves to your phone. As long as you control this and you make sure that you are in close proximity of your PC, laptop, MacBook, they will appear on the list and you can choose it from here. After you select them, they will remain connected until they run out of battery, at which point you will have to charge them and then they should automatically connect once they are sufficiently charged. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Galaxy earbuds to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.